For some time, inorganic selenium in the form of sodium selenite has been fed or injected into our animals. But inorganic selenium faces many obstacles in the animal's body. Because of these obstacles, this inorganic form cannot adequately promote optimal animal health. Injected inorganic selenium is insufficient because up to 40% is excreted within 24 hours. Feeding inorganic selenium is not optimal for any species, especially ruminants, where up to 60 to 70% of consumed inorganic selenium can be reduced to a form that is basically unavailable to the animal for absorption. When inorganic selenium enters the animal's small intestine, other minerals can have an antagonistic effect, rendering it useless to the animal. The inorganic selenium that manages to overcome these obstacles relies on a haphazard passive transport mechanism. Most importantly, the animal does not readily absorb this inorganic form of selenium, so it can't be stored in the body and won't be available to assist the immune system during times of stress. This translates to inadequate antioxidant protection, leaving the animal unprotected against free radical damage. Free radicals are produced inside the cell through normal cellular function. If these oxidative molecules are not neutralized within the cell, they can damage the cell's DNA and RNA. When free radicals come in contact with the cell membrane, they cause oxidative damage. This oxidation eventually leads to structural change and failure. Inorganic selenium can do nothing to prevent this cell damage. Nature has found a way to overcome the shortcomings of inorganic selenium by converting the inorganic selenium found in soil to an organic form. This natural form can then be stored in the plant, as well as the body of man or animal. Using the same system nature has used for millions of years, Alltech produces Sel Plex, the safest and most effective form of selenium supplementation. Sel Plex is organic, selenium-enriched yeast. Because yeasts are plants, Sel Plex provides selenium in the form that nature intended animals to consume. This natural form of selenium supplementation is delivered as a protein, selenoproteins or seleno-amino acids. This form ensures that Sel Plex does not face the many obstacles that hinder inorganic selenium, whether in a ruminant or monogastric. Sel Plex is not absorbed as a mineral, but as a protein using active transport. This means Sel Plex, unlike inorganic selenium, is easily absorbed across the gut wall. This protein form also means that antagonists, such as iodine and sulfur, do not have a direct effect on organic Sel Plex, as they do on inorganic selenium. Once in the bloodstream, Sel Plex selenium travels to the liver and other tissues, where it is taken up by cells. Sel Plex is incorporated into selenium-containing enzymes, such as glutathione peroxidase. These selenium-dependent enzymes act as antioxidants, protecting cell membranes, proteins, and DNA from free radical damage. Because all antioxidant systems work in concert, optimum selenium status prevents depletion of other antioxidants, such as vitamin E. Improving overall antioxidant status is critical to immune response and helps animals fight disease challenges. Unlike inorganic selenium, the organic selenoprotein compounds found in Sel Plex can be stored in tissues throughout the body. Sel Plex, stored in the animal's tissues, such as blood and the liver, and more importantly, in skeletal and heart muscle, can be called on during times of stress. Because Sel Plex is some 3 times more bioavailable than inorganic selenium, positive responses in health, immunity, and production can be expected. Sel Plex, proven safe. Proven performance from Alltech, naturally.